Hi, I know one of the reasons as to why you are here is because you want to learn about film and video production, or how you can create different contents, how you can produce videos, how you can do some kind of artificial intelligence film. Now, this particular platform that I want to present to you offers quite a variety of this particular film and video classes, and this platform is known as Skillshare. Now, the reason as to why I always advocate for Skillshare is because you are going to meet well advanced lecturers or other tutors who understand these particular topics in details. They have already engaged their experience in various industries. They are going to recommend you the best equipments to purchase, right, and even softwares that you can always use for these particular classes. They're also going to share with you the experiences, the pros and cons of doing some of these particular things. So I want to walk you through some of the best, of course, classes or courses that you can always get from Skillshare. But before I proceed, one thing that you need to know is that Skillshare, for you to be able to do these particular lessons, of course you need to subscribe or sign up. So what I've done, I've shared my link within the description so that at least they give you some kind of discount. So if you want to join these particular classes, kindly check the link within the description so that you use it to sign up, and you are going to be actually given some discount. Ideally it's 30%, right, when you subscribe to these particular classes. The reason as to why you need to subscribe is because these are not just like any other online classes, right? As I mentioned, you're going to get some of course, advanced, trained, well-trained instructors that are going to give you everything that you need. So the first category of classes that you're going to learn or actually engage with are this particular of course, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a new concept that allows you to create your films and video classes. So they offer these classes, and you can see these are just examples of classes that you're going to enroll in. You can see there are quite a number of students who have already enrolled for these particular classes. So you can be able to learn how to create faceless videos using AI. You create content using AI. Of course, you are going to be shown how to use ChatGPT for your YouTube growth. You are going to look at also how to create easy AI tools that will help enable you generate images and so on. So there are quite a number of courses under AI, right? And you can see there are quite a number of students also who have already enrolled. So if you are interested, just click within the description and you get to sign up. The other one is under the category of content creation, right? So if you're a person who wants to create maybe video for social media, photography for social media, this particular platform is going to enable you to do the same. Like for example, if you want to understand how to use Canva, right? You can see almost 30,000 students have already enrolled for this. If also you want to know how to grow your YouTube channel, you can enroll for this particular course, right? So there are quite a number of courses that allows you to do content creation professionally, as you can see, right? And there are quite a number. The other one is maybe just to have a general outlook of film industry, how it is, maybe what are some of the advantages, right? And better still, you're going to be taken through some of the nitty-gritties that you need to understand, like how to start a professional video making career. These are very important kind of video that you can always not really video but class that you can always join, so that at least you learn what you need to achieve, right? How to talk to actors, right? So these are some of the courses that you can, or classes that you can always join. The other one is pre-production of videos, or online video pre-production classes are also offered here, right? So we learn how to use Adobe Premiere Pro, and of course how to film high-end weddings from start to scratch, how to film an interview, right? All these are provided by Skillshare, right? So just check within the description so that you start these particular classes. And of course, we have the full video production classes that are offered from this particular platform. So you can see how to film yourself, a solo film class master, learn filmmaking from beginners to pro, right? So all these, right? Now someone is going to argue, but I believe there are other platforms that offer free classes. Yes, they offer free classes, but you'll realize that their classes are just 2, 3, 4-minute video and it's over. But this one, you're going to do some thorough study from scratch until you become a professional, right? So it's better to invest in this kind of courses or classes, especially if you want to become self-employed or just do your own stuff at personal level. So I've shared the link within the description, and if you're interested, also you can always like this particular channel so that we keep on giving you the best. All right, thanks.